having a war with these packages. Oh, this is really pretty. This package is kind of irritating one because it's a box inside of a box. Right now I'm going to open 4 products and see how they are. We have the Welleda Skin Food Ultra Rich Cream. Changes color. We have the Baby Lips Glow Balm in My Pink. It's a pH color transforming balm. It actually changes color depending on your pH. And then we have the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara in Very Black or Très Noir. This is a Wet n Wild Intensely Sparkly Glitter Luxuriously Smooth Formula in color Brass. Yes, this wand applicator is definitely different. Never seen one like that before. Here is the Maybelline New York Lash Sensational Mascara. Has very beautiful packaging. It is a matte finish black with a metallic pinkish lavender writing. Here is what the wand brush looks like. It is actually a tapered wand brush, meaning it is wider at the top and then towards the end it narrows down. The way you can tell what a mascara's purpose is or what it does is usually by the shape of the brush. This one is a luscious full fan effect is what it's supposed to do. So that would make sense for the shape of the wand to be tapered at the end and then flare out at the top, because it will make the inside corner of the lashes go one way and then the wider part will make the edges flare out, which will give it a fan effect. I feel like I'm having a war with these packages. Oh, this is really pretty packaging. It smells like cake icing. This is the Baby Lips Lip Balm, the version that changes according to your pH. In the color My Pink, the packaging is beautiful. It's ombre. It changes from light to dark. It has silver metallic writing for the name label. So what it looks like, and you get this much product. And yes, it looks like it will be very pretty, actually very subtle, but very pretty at the same time. Oh, it's so beautiful. Let's try out the glitter. 1, 2, 3. Looks like this. Put it next to the lip balm. Oh, look at the lip balm. It got darker. It's gorgeous, right? I like to put it on either by itself or over eyeshadow. Oh, this package is kind of irritating one because it's a box inside of a box. I love the smell of it. It smells like it feels like healing, even just from smelling it, in like a spa. I have actually already used this Welleda Skin Food Nutritive Cream before. It is very, very nice and luxurious. It's really oily. It's supposed to be for dry and rough skin, such as on hands, feet, and elbows. But I actually even put it on my face. Apply with a gentle massage. Here's how it looks. It's like very thick cream. And it takes a while to rub it in, so that's why I said massage it gently.
Have cabins here.